Imagine you have a big jar of water and you drop one tiny stone into it. The ripples from that stone will spread out and change the surface of the water. But what if you wanted to know exactly how those ripples would behave? You can use math to predict this. You might be wondering, how does this relate to AI? Well, understanding how small changes add up is crucial for training AI models. You'll see why in a minute. Think of a factory where each worker takes a product, makes a small change, and then passes it to the next worker. Each worker's change is like a small stone dropped into the water. The chain rule helps us understand how all these small changes add up. You can think of it like a recipe where each ingredient is changed by a certain amount. The chain rule helps you calculate the final result. For example, if you're making cookies and you change the amount of sugar and flour, the chain rule can help you predict how these changes will affect the final taste and texture. So, how does the chain rule work? It's actually pretty straightforward. You take the change in one thing, and then you multiply it by the change in the next thing, and so on. This is called the derivative. The chain rule helps you calculate the derivative of a function that is composed of many smaller functions. For instance, if you have a function that takes the output of another function, the chain rule helps you understand how the change in the first function affects the output of the second function. You'll see this in action in our next example. Let's say you have a function that calculates the area of a rectangle. The area is equal to the length times the width. If you change the length by 2 units and the width by 1 unit, the chain rule can help you calculate the new area. You'll see how this works in a real example. We'll use a simple function, like the area of a rectangle, and apply the chain rule to see how the changes add up. This is where the magic happens. You'll see how the chain rule helps you predict the outcome of these changes. So, why is the chain rule important? It's used in many areas of science and engineering, like predicting the motion of objects, understanding population growth, and even training AI models. The chain rule helps us understand how small changes can add up to make big differences. This is crucial in AI, where we need to train models that can adapt to new data and make accurate predictions. To recap, you've learned, the chain rule helps you understand how small changes add up. It's used to calculate the derivative of a function that is composed of many smaller functions, and it's crucial in many areas of science and engineering, including AI. You now have a powerful tool to predict how changes will affect a system. This is a big deal. Next time, we'll explore how AI models use the chain rule to learn from data. You'll see how this concept is used in real-world applications, like image recognition and natural language processing. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI and math lessons. We'll see you in the next video.